Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear watch history in YouTube Kids application. To delete your child's watch history in YouTube Kids, open up the YouTube Kids application on your device and from the home page, tap on the profile button at the bottom. Now once you end up in the profile page, go ahead and tap on the pencil button underneath your child's profile and then click on the gear button at the top right. Now you will see this clear history button. Simply tap on clear and click on OK to delete all the watch history for your kid's profile. This action will remove all videos from the watch it again section and reset video recommendation based on viewing history. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.